Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product which name is Vegreen Skin Barrier Reishi Serum. The Vegreen Skin Barrier Reishi Serum is a highly praised skincare product with several notable features. The serum is priced between $18 and $21, making it a reasonably affordable option for many users. It comes in a 50 milliliters plastic pump bottle, which provides a decent amount of product for the price. The standout ingredient is the 65% Ganoderma lucidum reishi mushroom extract, known for its antioxidant properties and its potential to reduce skin discoloration by interrupting the enzyme tyrosinase. This extract also contributes to improving the skin's barrier and reducing irritation. The serum includes 3.25% lactobacillus ferment, a probiotic ingredient with various skin benefits, such as protection against environmental aggressors, anti-acne properties, and balancing the skin's microflora. Other ingredients like niacinamide, green tea, adenosine, and dipotassium glycyrrhizate add anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, soothing, and wound-healing benefits to the formula. Importantly, the serum is free of alcohol, fragrance, and essential oils, making it suitable for those with sensitive skin. Advised to apply 1 to 3 pumps of the serum, depending on their skin type, to cleanse skin or after using a toner. It's recommended to spread and pat the serum gently until it's absorbed, and it can be used both in the morning and at night. The serum has a runny consistency but provides some viscosity and slip, making it easy to spread on the face. Although it may feel slightly tacky initially, this sensation diminishes after a few minutes. Users typically don't need to wait for it to fully set before applying moisturizer. Like other Vegreen products, this serum is fragrance-free and doesn't contain essential oils, which is ideal for individuals sensitive to scented skincare products. Serum performance is satisfactory. It is described as both hydrating and emollient, making it suitable for use on its own without needing a lighter toner or essence. The serum is praised for its ability to leave the skin feeling soft and for forming a protective layer that aids in barrier repair, unlike some products that only create a film on the skin surface, leaving the skin feeling tight. It is deemed suitable for all skin types, with oily skin types using it as a nourishing night serum and dry skin types having the option to layer it with other hydrating products as needed. This serum is recommended for those who prefer a minimalistic skincare routine and desire a hydrating and antioxidant serum free of potentially irritating ingredients. While it does not provide brightening effects, users note that it gives the skin a healthy, bouncy glow and does not cause breakouts or bumps under the skin.